Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to fix Instagram not showing likes problem. So the first method to fix this problem, we need to clear Instagram app data. So for that, open your phone settings, scroll down and tap on app management, tap on Instagram, tap on storage usage, tap on clear cache and tap on clear data. Tap on clear, and this was the first method to fix this problem. And the second method is you need to uninstall your Instagram and after that reinstall Instagram app from Play Store. And the last method is to fix this problem. Go to Play Store, search here Instagram Lite, and you need to install Instagram Lite, and that's how you can fix this problem. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.